What's up, ceiling fan people? I'm in another model home. I love looking at model homes, mainly because I like to see what type of ceiling fans they have. Also, you can see my car from here. Hello, my car. I love my car. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is this thing. I don't know what it is. It's got an Air Pro remote control. Sorry, the zoom buttons on my camera just went away and it looked weird. Pretty cool. You can see we got a light. There's the light. Does it dim? A little bit. Yep. Okay, let's wait for it to get back to full. Yep, that looks blinding. Alrighty, let's do speed 1. Let's see, it didn't do a DC motor dance, but it sounds like a DC motor. It also sounds like something's brushing. It also looks like it's slowing down. I can't tell what this silly willy is doing. Also, there's sconces by the beds and a painting or a picture of a dog. Looks like this is our low speed. Not ideal. Let's go up to speed 2 now. Sounds like that. Yeah, looks like that command registered. Yeah, something's rubbing. Speed 3. Yeah, there's some rubbish happening. I don't care for it. The breeze is also just not great from this thing. That's because it's got the droopy blade design. Which anyone who's familiar with ceiling fan physics will know that when the blades are kind of angled upwards, that's where you're going to get your real air spread happening. So the droopy blade design of this is the exact opposite of that. Which means I can't feel shit unless I'm right under it, which is very poor design. Speed 5. I feel like it's making a little... I don't know what's rubbing up there. It's definitely not good. And I probably should turn this fan off. But it's not my fan or my problem. High speed. Yeah, okay, so... Oh, okay. Yeah, on high speed there's like maybe... Did I say high speed? I can't speak. Okay, so on high speed there's actually some spread happening. Oh, okay, I underestimated this fan actually. It's spreading the air actually not terribly. Sorry, little fan. I judged you too hard. Let's see the direct breeze. What's that like? Alright, it's decent. The direct breeze is kind of like my Riviera on medium. I'm also noticing in the very corners of this room, I'm getting breeze. And then when I'm not in the corners, I'm getting breeze, solid breeze on my legs. And when I go into the corner of this room, I'm getting breeze on my head. This fan's got some weird ass physics. High with light. Like a little bit of a delay. Basic down light, who cares? Let's turn that off. I do quite like, in terms of the looks department, I do quite like this fan. I will say, I do think the wood color and the black or a bronze or whatever don't really make well, no. I think they would work together if I don't know. Something about it just looks off. Also, dear lord, that was a quick spin down. Although there is like the friction from whatever the hell was going on with the blades. So that makes sense. Let's do 0 to high. Not gonna be a quick one. Also, a Mustang GT is over there. Yep, we get our rubbin. Yeah, shout out to the David Weekly Homes model homes. They don't hide their remotes from me. Which is a shame, because the other model homes I was in had a Fanimation Spitfire. And some Fanimation Cutes. I really wanted to play with those. Oh well. We'll put this back on speed 1 like I found it. And we'll turn the light on like I didn't find it. It's taking a while to spin down to low. But yeah, that is this thing with its questionable build quality. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!